Hello everybody, my name is Armando Solivaca, I'm the founder and director of Passeggiate Romane, www.romaguidecultura.com, a team of licensed guides providing private tours and cultural activities in Rome. Today I want to present you Villa Adriana, one of the most beautiful archaeological park in the world, only 11 miles east of Rome in Italy. That is what survives of one of the most beautiful luxurious residences built in the ancient times, the private residence built by the Emperor Hadrian. The villa was created at Tibur, modern-day Tivoli, as a retreat from Rome for Emperor Hadrian in the early 2nd century. Hadrian was said to dislike the palace on the Palatine Hill in Rome, leading to the construction of the retreat. During the later years of his reign, he actually governed the empire from the villa. A large court, therefore, lived there permanently. In the villa is the so-called Maritime Theatre. It consists of a round portico with a barrel vault supported by pillars. Inside the portico was a ring-shaped pool with a central island. On the island sits a small Roman house, complete with an atrium, a library, a triclinium, and small baths. The area was probably used by the emperor as a retreat from the busy life at the court. Hadrian's villa was a complex of over 30 buildings covering an area of at least 250 acres. The villa was the greatest Roman example of an Alexandrian garden recreating a sacred landscape. The complex included palaces, several thermae, theatre, temples, libraries, staterooms and quarters for courtiers, praetorians and slaves. The villa shows echoes of many different architectural orders, mostly ancient Greek and ancient Egyptian. Hadrian's biography states that areas in the villa were named after places Hadrian saw during his travels. The area has an extensive network of underground tunnels. The tunnels were mostly used to transport servants and goods from one area to another. The paths and routes above ground were reserved for more high-ranking residents of the villa. One of the most striking and best preserved parts of the villa are a pool and an artificial grotto, which were named Canopus and Serapeum respectively. Canopus was an Egyptian city where a temple was dedicated to god Serapis. However, the architecture is Greek-influenced, as seen in the Corinthian columns and the copies of famous Greek statues that surround the pool. So this is what you will see in our Adrian's Villa tour. Arrivederci a Roma, see you in Roma, Armando Solipaca, passeggiate romane, www.romeguidetour.com. Bye!